Hey everyone, sorry I'm late. I've just been working on a few projects of mine, so hope you don't mind. Today I'm going to be discussing a for loop in C++. So a for loop is a kind of loop that executes a certain block of code a certain amount of times. So to write a for loop, we'll type for parentheses, then curly braces. And then within the parentheses, we're going to create like an index, like something like a counter. So int index equals to, I'll start at 1, then add a semicolon to end it. And then instead of using index, because this might be long, people just shorten it to I. So int I equals to 1, then end it with a semicolon. And there are two more statements to go. The next statement is the condition. So we're going to continue this as long as I is less than or equal to 5, and end it with a semicolon. So this is getting the counter ready, and I'm giving a condition to run the code. And the next is either incrementing or decrementing. So I'm going to decrement the counter by 1. And now what are we going to display 5 times? We'll just say, how about hello world of programmers, and it with a semicolon. And then when I run this, you should see that it displays 5 times. Maybe I'll just take it to a new line, and then when I run it, there we go. It says hello world of programmers 5 times. Okay, so how about we count up to like 10, and then we now display the hello world of programmers. So I'm just going to push this line down, and then I'm going to display our counter of I, and then I'll just take it to a new line. Okay, so when we're done counting to 10, we now display our hello message. Okay, so now when I run this, see that we count up to 10, 1 through 10, then we display hello world programmers. We can even increment our counter by 2. So instead of using I plus plus, we do I plus equals 2. And when I run it, you should see that it now counts in 2s. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, then a welcome message. How about we count in 3s? And when I run it, 1, 4, 7, 8, 10, then hello world of programmers. Okay, so let's try counting down, then display a welcome message. So we're gonna tweak this a little bit. So we're gonna start at 10 and do the statement as far as I is greater than or equal to 1, and then we're gonna decrement it, so I minus minus, so that we are able to like count down. Now when I run it, you should see that we now count down. So 10, 9, 8, 7, so on and so forth until we reach hello world programmers. So we can even decrement by 2s. So I minus equals 2. When we run it, shows 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, hello world programmers. Okay, how about by 3? Yeah, 10, 7, 4. You get the idea. Okay, so we can even like change these values a bit. So let me like count back up. So I plus plus. So we're gonna do this as far as I is less than or equal to 10. Then we're gonna like start at 5. Let's see what's gonna happen. Yeah, we begin at 5, then count down to 10 and display a welcome message. Okay, so we can like basically start from anywhere. So we're just executing this block of code a certain amount of times. So that's it, everyone. So that's a for loop in C++. It's just a kind of loop that executes a certain block of code a certain amount of times. Okay, so if you found this information helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.